Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, I did lie slightly when I said that the previous two videos were actually going to be my last two videos for 2023. It's actually these two videos are going to be my last videos for 2023. And as promised, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing a advent calendar just to end the year for a bit of fun. And if you've seen the title of this video, I'm going to be reviewing, now I'm going to have to show this quickly because it kind of messes up my lighting a little bit, the Sunkissed advent calendar. Now, this advent calendar's got 25 doors in it. It's full of makeup products, full of beauty, and you get a nice full-size bronzer as well for day 25, which is really, really cool. So I just thought, I know advent calendars are pretty much stopping now because we're pretty much at the end of December, but I just thought, do you know what, just for a bit of fun, just to unbox this and let you guys know my thoughts about it, and in the second video, try on all the products and create a really fun, really crazy, glamorous New Year's Eve look. So just pretty much going bonkers. So I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this advent calendar, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts about it. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Sunkissed 25-day beauty advent calendar, just keep watching. Okay, so this calendar, it retails, so I'm just looking at the TK Maxx website. It retailed for £15. I did have a coupon, so I got this for about a tenner, this calendar. I think it originally retailed for £25. I got this on TK Maxx. Unfortunately, I think it is sold out now. If they've got any more in stock, I will put it on screen if you can still get it or not. You know, pretty much for 2024's December if you wanted to, if it was still available. But yes, I did get this for £10 on TK Maxx. This is what it looks like. It's like a I'm not good with shapes. Hexagon? Looks like a hexagon. It's really shiny. It's got loads of pink in it. Pink and deeper pink in it. Yeah, so it's pretty much like, it's very, very reflective. Like my lights are going crazy at the moment. So it's very sort of light pink with a bit of white in it, with a bit of darker pink. So, but I do like the packaging. It's really pretty. I really, really like the packaging. Okay, I'm going to unbox this advent calendar very quickly, so that way we're not going to be here all day. Day number one is this cute little eyeshadow palette. So you've got 3 mattes and 1 shimmer colour. Yeah, it's super cute. It's really, really cute. So I like that. Right, in door number 2, you got this little brush. It's not the best quality brush, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not too sure what you'd use this for. Maybe like a bit of nose contouring or something. So we've got this little brush. Day number 3, you get this really sparkly nail file. Yeah, it's really sparkly. It's really glittery. Like I said, it's still not particularly my favourite item, but nail files are still handy to have to file the nails down. They're practical. I've got to say as well, guys, the doors, they're not very easy to open, so I'm having to like really punch the doors just to get into them. So I apologise that I'm not showing the doors. It's just, you have to really kind of knock them in, and I can't really do it when I'm lifting it up, to be honest with you. But anyway, day number 5, it is a lip palette. So you've got these beautiful lipstick colours. Really nice to use with a lip brush, or you can use the sponge applicators you got given as well to apply a bit of lipstick. So that's nice. You don't really see many lip palettes, so it's nice to see it. Day number 6, you have this beautiful, gorgeous blush colour. Really nice, really pretty little blush. I like that. I really like that. Day number 7, you have another eyeshadow palette. This time you have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So really cute. I love these colours. They're so sparkly and they're warm toned, and I really like it. So it looks like I'll be doing a bit of a warm tone look for New Year's. So that'll be a bit fun. Day number 8 is these, I believe they're nail stickers. So that's cute. If you love doing your nails, then this is really, really cute. They're actually really cute. The little stars, I think they're adorable. I think they're really adorable. Right, we have door number 9, which is another eyeshadow palette. And we have 1 matte and 3 shimmers. This silver colour is calling my name. Yeah, it looks so pretty. I love that silver. So we have another eyeshadow palette. Day number 9 is this beautiful lip gloss. This colour is so universal. It looks so pretty. It's like a really nice peachy brown colour. It's really flattering. It looks really, really nice. Okay, and door number 11. So, oh, this looks like a lip liner. It's an eyebrow pencil? But this looks purple. Yeah, this is an eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I'm not going to swatch it now because I'll swatch it when I try the products on. But it might look purple on the tube, but the actual pencil actually might be a brownish colour. It says it's medium to dark, so unfortunately if you've got like the I can't speak. If you've got like blonde hair, very pale eyebrows, this won't work for you. But yeah, I'm curious to give that a go. At first I thought, is it a purple one? But then I know purple brows were a trend at one point. I know they were, and some people I know really suited them. Won't suit me. But yeah, I'll give that a go. I'll test that in the next video. And door number 12, we have another lipstick. Looks like another pretty colour. This looks like a really nice colour. Be really nice to go with that lip gloss or something. Yeah, it looks like a very sort of pinky, dark, slightly darker pinky colour. Looks really pretty. Okay, day number 13, and we have another bronzer, even though day 25 is... Hang on a minute. Oh, okay. They are slightly different coloured because this one is more cool toned, whereas the big one, the big 25 one, is a bit more warm. Okay, I can let them get away with that. So this is what it looks like. So that's cute. A bronzer. Obviously, I know this isn't going to work with every skin tone, unfortunately, but it's a nice bronzer. Nonetheless, it's a matte bronzer. It's not shimmery. And we finally have a highlighter in door number 14. This looks really pretty. This is the highlighter. What is it about the highlighters in calendars and sets that makes everything really exciting? I don't know why. I love highlighters. So, yep, happy to get a highlighter. And it looks like it will match my skin. Obviously, I do respect that it won't suit everyone, but very pretty. Day number 15, we have just one single little clip. This little alligator, I think, is it called an alligator clip? Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I wish they included like a second one, so at least then you can clip your hair back not once, but twice. It's a handy thing to have. I just wish they included 2, so that way you can really push your hair back. So, yeah, a little bit upset they only included 1, but handy item to have. It is handy. And day number 16, we have another eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. This is more of a purple toned eyeshadow palette. 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. I mean, they certainly are giving us a variation of colour story, so I do appreciate that. But yeah, we have another eyeshadow palette. Door number 17 is a mascara. That's cute. So we do have a mascara. Yeah, we don't really get them in the set, so it's nice to have a mascara. Day number 18, we have another lip gloss. This is more of a purple toned lip gloss. Very beautiful. Very nice. 19, we have... Is this a eyebrow pomade? Oh, it's a cream contour. Oh, so that's interesting. So we have a cream contour. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I didn't actually expect that. So that's pretty good to have. Day number 20, we've got another lipstick. This one's more like a brown toned lipstick. So this one would go nice with that. Go nice with this lip gloss. And the other one would go better with the first lip gloss. Sorry, because the lipstick, sorry. I can't speak. That lipstick's got more mauve, whereas this one's a bit more brown tone. So, very, very nice. Right, door number 21, we have a lip liner, a purple one. So, it would go nice with the lip palette that you've got, or the lipstick. So, really nice. And door number 22, you've got these little gems here, nail gems. You probably could use these around your eyes as well, but be careful because they're not eye safe. So, I mean, they are very tiny and they're not sharp, but you just got to be very careful. But very pretty, very, very pretty. And day number 23, we have a sharpener for your eyebrow pencil and your lip liner. So, you've got a little sharpener there. Very handy to have. Sharpeners are always so handy to have. I always lose mine. Always lose mine. And day number 24 is a highlighting cream, or I should really say a cream highlighter. So that's really nice. You have a cream contour and a cream highlighter. So you've also got powder highlighter, a powder highlighter and a powder bronzer, and you've got a cream contour and a cream highlighter. So that's pretty cool. And of course, we already know this, but day number 25 is a Dream Star matte bronzer. Apparently this is a limited edition one. And this one's a full-size bronzer. So really, really nice. Right, so what do I think of the products inside the calendar? So I'll get the negative stuff out the way first, of course. So the hair clip, I kind of wish they included 2. I don't know why they've just included 1, because we like to kind of do one side then the other. So I don't know why they've just included 1 little hair clip. So that's a bit random, a little bit disappointing on that one. I would wish they included an extra lip pencil for the lip palette. So maybe another pencil that's purple and another one that's a bit of a deep brown. That way it's very versatile. You can use that with pinks, etc. So you've got definition and then something in the centre. I do understand it's like a darker lip pencil, so you can add definition there. But I would love to see like a brown one as well. Anything else? Well, the nail stuff isn't really for me, but that's just personal preference. That's not really anything to do with the calendar. Would have been nice to see maybe a few more highlighters, different shades, different blusher shades. And what else? And the brush as well. It's not particularly my favourite brush, to be honest. The more I'm pulling it, the more it's fraying, it's actually coming out. So I would like to see maybe just a little bit better quality of the brush, really. Because it is kind of, it is fraying a little bit. So this would have been good for like nose contour, really. So that's the one perk I can say about this. But I know these sponge applicators, no one uses these anymore, but these are handy for like glitter pigments and stuff like that for pressing on. So I know they still have their little perks, so can't really diss them too much. Yeah, I mean, that's all the negative stuff I'd say really, but the positive is they give you so many eyeshadow palettes. Like, there's so many colour stories here. I think that's all the eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, they give you so many colour stories here. So I love the variation of eyeshadow palettes. That's really good. I love the variation of lip products. There's some nice lip products here. There's a nice lip palette here as well. I like there's two bronzers. There's a cool toned one and a warm toned one. So you have like warm and cool. So that one's really, really cool. It's nice to include a mascara. You know, mascaras don't really happen much in calendars. Oh yeah, with the brow product, it would have been nice to see like a palette of a brow product or something. So that way it can go for a lot of different brow shades. That would have been quite nice. The cream contour thing I think is a really good idea. And you've got cream highlighter. So if you don't want to wear a powder look and you want to wear like a cream contour look, then you have a cream option. Would it be nice to see a cream blusher actually? Cream blusher would have been quite nice to see, but that's really cool. They've included those. That's really, really cool. That's really, really cool. I'd say that's pretty much it. Do I think the calendar's worth it? Yeah, if you've got a young child who is starting to get into makeup and loves makeup, he or she will absolutely love this. I mean, there's so many eyeshadows to choose from. Got a nice highlighter, a little bit for the nails. So there's a little bit here for everything except for hair. Only just a clip. But I just think it's really cool for a young child. I think this is absolutely amazing. Or anyone who's starting off with makeup, you don't want too many products to fit in your bag, or you don't want too much for storage, then these are really decent little sizes. Obviously, you'd have to take a mirror with you, but they are really decent sized. So I just keep looking at them right now. So yeah, I think for what I paid for it, I think it's worth it. I think it's really good. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to go on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in 2024. It's just gone so quickly, guys. It's just come and gone before we know it. I'm very excited for 2024. Cannot wait to do more makeup videos for you guys and improve on my shorts, because I've only started recently getting into shorts, so I'll definitely be doing more of those. So I'm quite excited for that. So more exciting things to come in 2024. And I'll see you all in the new year. Happy New Year to you guys. Bye bye and take care.